In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a simple but powerful bucket list dashboard in Notion, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. A bucket list dashboard is an amazing way to organize your life goals, track experiences you want to have, and stay motivated by seeing everything in one place. By the end of this video, you'll have a clean, customizable bucket list setup that you can keep improving over time. If you enjoy Notion tutorials like this and find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and create a brand new page. You can do this from your sidebar by clicking on the plus icon or selecting New Page. This page will be the foundation of your bucket list dashboard, so give it a clear name like Bucket List Dashboard or My Bucket List. Once the page is open, click anywhere on the page to start adding content. Next, click into the page and type a / on your keyboard. This opens up the Notion command menu, which lets you add different types of blocks. From here, type To-Do List. As you type, you'll see the To-Do List option appear in the menu. Click on To-Do List to insert it into your page. This will create a simple checklist where you can start listing bucket list items right away. Now, to keep things more organized and visually clean, we're going to use a toggle list. Click again on a new line, type a / and select Toggle List. Toggle lists are great because they let you hide and expand content, which is perfect for grouping bucket list categories like travel, skills, personal goals, or experiences. You can name the toggle something like Travel Bucket List or Life Goals. Inside this toggle, we're going to add a database so everything stays structured. Click inside the toggle, type a /, and then type Database. From the database options, choose a simple table database. This will create a database directly inside your toggle. Once the database appears, go ahead and rename it to something meaningful, like bucket list items. Renaming your database makes it easier to understand and manage later, especially as it grows. Inside the database, you can start customizing properties. You might add a checkbox property for completed items, a select property for categories, or a date property for target completion dates. This turns your bucket list into a dynamic system instead of just a static list. You can repeat this process by creating multiple toggle lists for different areas of your life, each with its own database or checklist. This way, your dashboard stays clean while still holding a lot of information. As you continue building, feel free to add headings, icons, or even images to personalize your bucket list dashboard and make it inspiring to look at every day. And that's it. You've now built a functional bucket list dashboard in Notion that you can keep refining over time. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Notion tips, dashboards, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.